How to half swipe on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Vipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can half swipe on Snapchat. Now basically, before doing so, I'll be explaining you what does it mean. Now if you're wondering what half swipe on Snapchat means, well, as the name suggests, a half swipe is a swipe across the screen, not a full swipe. This feature lets you read messages without the sender knowing on Snapchat. Basically, on Snapchat, if you open up a snap, if you open up a chat, then the sender will be able to know it that you have received it and you have opened it, right? So half swipe allows you to read it or see the conversation without sending the notification that you have done so. So how do you do it? You wanna basically open up Snapchat, head into any chat. Now suppose you wanna read the chat. Now I'll just do half swipe on the very first chat that you can see. What you want to do is you want to tap on the profile, just tap and hold and swipe quickly to the left. Do not release your fingers. Swipe your fingers from left to right. Simply tap on the profile, tap and hold, and then tap and hold and swipe from left to right quickly without releasing the fingers, and you'll be able to see there what they have sent and text that they have sent. You want to be able to see it fully. Unfortunately, you'll just have to see it, and if it's, you'll be able to see it, and then again swipe it back from right to left without releasing your fingers. So this is the way you can do half swipe on Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.